up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs? How y'all doing today? Thank you for jumping into my channel, taking the time and checking out my channel, Country Fried. This is Country Fried, and while I was doing an oil change earlier, I already did a video on that. When I was doing an oil change, I noticed that I had a flat tire. And I took the bike out a couple of days ago, met up with some of my buddies at Cibolo Creek, and didn't even realize it until right now when I was doing the oil change. I got a nail here, so we're just going to jump into it and show you how to plug a tire. I'm going to go ahead and get our equipment, and we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, we got our tools here, so we see where the problem is. We've got a nail right here. So we're going to use some needle nose pliers. They don't exactly have to be this long. This is just what I have right now. Got some plugs. And we got this tool here we're going to use to put the plug through here. Insert it in there. That's going to fill the hole, and I'm going to air it up. I'm not even really sure what the heck this thing is called, but I'll just call it a tire plug tool. So I'm going to go ahead and take this nail out. This screw or whatever the heck it is. I'll find out here in a second. Damn, that was a rusty ass nail. Jeez. So we see where our hole is. It's gonna be right there. So what I do is I take it, and it comes with a reamer tool. You don't always have to use it. I just like to do this. Make sure you get some. You ream that hole out just a little bit, and that's going to make it a little bit easier to put that plug in. Okay. So you get your plug. You only need one of these, of course. Try and do this with one hand here, which I'm not going to be able to because these things are super sticky. So give me a second. Okay, so you take the tire plug, you insert it through this little clip right here, and it's gonna be hard to try and do this with one hand. You just push it in the hole, like so. It's gonna take some pressure. It's gonna take some pushing on it, but you just get it in there so it's about like that. I always turn it, and then here comes the part you really got to pay attention to. You got to pull this out quickly, very quickly, and that way it stays in there. So here we go. All right, I don't know what happened to the video here, but I pulled this out, push it in, push the plug in in the hole, turn it, and you pull it out quickly, and the plug will stay in there. And there's different types of plugs and sealants that you can use, but this is what I've always used, and it's worked for me. As you can see, I've got one here, and I'm sure I got another one or two plugs on the other side. Maybe it's on the other tire, but I know I got at least 3 or 4 plugs. But I'm glad this happened on this tire, on these old set of tires, instead of my new tires that I'm getting ready to put on here. But that's how you change. Not change, but that's how you plug a tire. Remember, you can only do this if the hole is on
flat surface of the tire. If it's on a sidewall, you're not going to be able to do that, especially on car and truck tires. There are patches that you can purchase to use to fill the side wall if you ever get a puncture or a hole in your sidewall. And I have that as well, just in case that ever happens. So if you want the information on that, let me know. I'll give you the information on that. You just hit me up and I'll get back to you. But that, my friends, that's how you plug a hole. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them below. I'll get back to you. Thank you very much for dropping in on my channel, Country Fried. And until then, be safe, have fun, peace.